In front of me is SONY Xperia 1, and let me show you how to change the display, how to change home screen on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select appearance right here and go to the wallpaper. It's time to select this source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so you can choose either album, live wallpapers, Google Photos or wallpapers album. So let me choose wallpapers, and here you've got all the options. And just check out all of them and pick the one that you like the most. So let me pick, for example, this one. This is how it will look like. Finally, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen only, or maybe both of them. And the third option is the one that I would choose, so home screen and lock screen all together. And as you can see from now on, both your home screen and also the lock screen is covered with this brand new wallpaper. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.